We are looking at how to pronounce the name of famous Japanese brand. This is a multinational corporation headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, specialized in manufacturing, designing, in creating optics and imaging products. So there's going to be 3 different ways to pronounce the name of this brand depending on the country you're in and the pronunciation you want to adopt. The original pronunciation from Japan in Japanese is Nikon. Nikon. As a consequence, in the UK, in British, it is normally pronounced in England and the United Kingdom, Nikon. Pretty similar to the Japanese pronunciation. In English, Nikon, or British English, Nikon. But in American, it has now been popular and the norm to pronounce it Nikon. Nikon. So if you are in the United States and you're buying a Nikon camera, for example, well, ask for a Nikon. They will understand it better. Otherwise, anywhere else, it's generally pronounced around Nikon. Nikon brand.